Hi everyone, welcome back. So I'm up with another review of some products which I had bought in the Nykaa sale. So this is the Saint Givenchy collection that I have with me right now. I have two body wash and one face wash. So like I said, I had bought these during the sale time and I got a very good offer on these products. So here I have with me, the first one is the Saint Givenchy hemp seed oil and aloe vera with neem. This is a body wash. So most of the products of the Saint Givenchy collection are, they are paraben free, phthalates free, then there is mineral oil free. They are cruelty free products, so it's quite good if you want to use it. If you don't want to use products which have too much of ingredients, too much of chemicals and stuff like that, so these are quite good, I would say. As you can see on your screen, there is a lot of information written here. So this is mineral oil free, then there is hypoallergic free, no harmful chemicals. Then you have BHT free, phthalates free, paraben free, all of this. So even the ingredients are quite good, I would say. Coming back to how I felt after using this, I think it's quite good. It gives you a nice refreshing sort of a feel when you use it, it's not very fragrant also, but there's a mild fragrance, I would say. So there's a mild fragrance, but it's not very powerful to you. It gives you a nice lingering fragrance after you're done with your bath and stuff like that. So I thought it's quite good. The only thing is that if you want something which is very moisturizing and it gives you this feeling of this really nice soft body wash, when you're using it, if you want that kind of feel, it doesn't give you that kind of effect, but it's good for humidity prone climate, if you have a lot of sweating and if you've just done with your gymming or exercise or any kind of yoga or something, and if you're doing some work and you start sweating and stuff like that, it's quite good. It'll make you really clean, it'll make you feel really clean, but it's not something which is like which would sort of moisturize your skin and stuff like that. As you can see, even the ingredients that they've used is hemp seed oil and aloe vera with neem. So neem has obviously antibacterial properties with it, and aloe vera is good for moisturizing and stuff like that. But again, I would say if you are looking out for a body wash which is which will give you that typical soft kind of feel, this is not for you. But otherwise, I personally liked it because I'm using it. It's rainy season right now here in India, in Bombay. So it gets very humid at times. You start sweating and you feel really greasy and stuff like that. So for that kind of climate, I think it's quite good. It'll suit you. So yeah, that's could be a short review of this particular body wash. Now coming back to my face wash, this is a Saint Givenchy face wash. You can see tea tree face wash with neem again. My camera is not taking the close-up of this one second. Yeah, so they say that the fragrance is authentic, essential tea tree oil aroma, deep skin cleansing, and it's sulfate free. So again, even this comes with the same kind of thing, written on this face wash. It's paraben free, it's hypoallergic and stuff like that. It is PETA approved also. So this face wash, I would say I felt it's quite similar to my body wash actually. This is pretty much the same. Even the consistency, I'll open this for you. if you see, I've used quite a bit of it, so I'll have to squeeze in a little more. So this is how it looks. It's a nice aqua green color, sort of a light face wash. So this I feel is quite similar to my body wash. I mean, sometimes I felt that as if I'm using my body wash itself. Otherwise, usage of this product and how I felt using it, it's quite good. I liked it. Skin, yes, my skin has slightly improved with this one. There's not much of a difference, but it's quite nice. Again, all these three products give you the same kind of feel. It's sort of a refreshing, anti-humidity sort of a range, I would say. The face wash, I would say, is not, again, it doesn't give you that moisturizer sort of a feel, but otherwise it's good for cleansing. I mean, you feel fresh, you feel your skin has cleared a bit. It's not very harsh on your skin also, like you won't feel any kind of dryness with it. So yeah, that is a plus point. I would say it's quite good. Now coming to my body wash, this I have used, like I said, I've used the big bottle of this one. So if you see the consistency of this one, I haven't used this. This is a fresh new bottle. It's not even being opened now. I'm just doing it for the video. This is how it looks. As you can see, it looks very similar to my face wash, which is there behind. So it looks quite similar to the face wash. If you take the face wash and the body wash both in your hands, you'll feel as if you're using the same product. So yeah, that's how it is. But I really liked this body wash because it has a nice strong fragrance of tea tree, and when you use it, you feel as if it gives you that really powerful fragrance, and you feel that as if it's cleaning you. It's cleansing your skin and stuff like that. So I really like this. So yeah, so this is a short review of all these three products, and let's see. I'm going to make another video probably with another product which I had bought during the sale. That's my Veet razor, the Gillette razor. So yeah, so I'm going to make another video with this one. With the Givenchy collection, this is about it. I have another product of the same brand, which is an aloe vera moisturizer. I might make another video with that one also, but this brand was completely new to me. I have not bought any product of this brand. This was the first one, the big bottle of my body wash, and then I started getting more products with the same brand. But it's a very good brand, I would say, especially with their body washes and face wash, and again their moisturizers and stuff like that. It's quite good. So yeah, I think you should go with this brand. It's a very good one. You get it very easily. It's easily available on Nykaa.com. So guys, if you all want, please do go on that website. I can leave the link of that website below in the description box. So that's it for today, and let's make another video with some other products which I have. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.